So, for example, you have this sample problem 2.1, no? 200-pound block rest on a horizontal plane. Find the magnitude of the force P required to give the block an acceleration of 10 feet per second squared to the right. The coefficient of friction between the block and the plane is m sub k equals 0.25. No, this is frictional force. No. So solution. So the process is resolve the equation of motion for the block into two rectangular component equations, di ba? So you have this, since nag-incline man ang P into two rectangular component equation, no? You have this x component, no? And y component of equation. So unknowns consist of the applied force P and the normal reaction N, di ba? This normal reaction N is the contact force between the surface and the block, di ba? From the plane. So the two equations may be solved for this unknown. So for the solution of that is you have here, remember the remember this one, no? Kani siya. F is equal to MA. So you solve the equation of motion for the block into two rectangular component equation. So you have here summation of forces F sub x, no? F sub x is equal to MA, no? Into two, so you have here x component, horizontal component, then the vertical component. So for the x component, horizontal component of motion, you have P, say positive to the right, no? Positive to the right. So P cosine 30 degrees, di ba? From your knowledge of your trigonometry, yes. Minus 0.25 n. This F, okay. So before this, kani siya is, remember this 200 pounds sa problem, this is actually the weight, di ba? This is the weight. So divided by the acceleration due to gravity, which is, since kay pound man siya, so gamit pa nimo ang 32.2 feet per second squared, diba? English unit, no? So by calculator, the answer of this is 6.21 pound second squared per feet, no? Per foot. But this F, friction force, is equal to the coefficient of friction times the normal force, di ba? You learned this one in your high school, di ba? Kani siya. No? Importante kani siya. So, frictional force is equal to the coefficient of friction times the normal force, di ba? So, since your frictional force is horizontal man siya, so mo nang minus ka og 0.25 n. This 0.25 is given sa problem. N, this is not Newton, but this is the normal force, N. No, kaning N, di ba? Gikan ani siya. So, is equal to MA, di ba? Your M mass is nakuha na to ganina, which is 6.21, no? Pound second squared feet per feet. Times acceleration. Acceleration is given sa problem, di ba? Acceleration is 10 feet per second squared, so times 10. So that the equation is P cosine 30 minus 0.25 n is equal to 62.1 pound na lang nabilin, no? Kaya makancel ang second squared. And feet. So this is for horizontal motion. For vertical motion, you have N is a positive upward, no? Positive upward. So you have N, kay paibabaw man siya, minus P. Anong minus man? You have here kaning component, vertical component, and the this is the horizontal component and this is the vertical component. So, minus siya kay paubos man ang direction sa imong vertical component, no? Sa P. No mo ng N minus P sine 30. Diba? So, this is knowledge of your trigonometry. Diba? Minus 2,000 pound. 2,000 pound, this is the weight, no? Of the block. This is equal to 0. So, you have here two equation, two unknowns, no? Your unknown is P and N. So, kung pareha ang number of unknowns sa number of equation, makuha siya. Meaning, makuha siya. So, by calculator, no? Madali rin siya sa calculator, no? Sa equation. So, unknown consists of the applied force P and the normal reaction N, di ba? So, ang na lang from the plane. The two equations may be solved for these unknowns. So, iyang gi-manipulate, but actually, pwede ni siya direct into sa calculator para ma-solve ninyong value sa P and value sa N. So, ang pangutana is, find the magnitude of the force P. So, P ang ipangita by calculator or by manual manipulation, no? Of the two equations. So, you have P is equal to 151.277 pounds.